I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and clicking the profile icon at the top right. This is where Profiles live. Sign in with your Google account, type your email and password, then complete any two-step verification. Once done, choose to turn on sync so bookmarks, passwords, and history move with you. Make sure you use the account you want associated with this desktop profile. This keeps your settings consistent. This first step ties Chrome on this computer to your Google identity and cloud data. Once signed in, you enable and configure sync so the browser carries your data. Go to Settings, then You and Google and open Sync. Toggle specific items, bookmarks, passwords, extensions, so only what you want is stored. Next, polish the local profile. Open the Profile menu, choose Manage Profiles, and edit the profile name and picture so it's recognizable on the desktop. When finished, Chrome will keep cloud and local settings aligned. This makes switching between accounts predictable and fast. To place the account on your desktop, open the Profile menu and select Manage Profiles or the Profile gear icon. Pick the profile you signed into. Then choose Create Desktop Shortcut. Chrome makes a dedicated icon that opens that profile directly. Once the shortcut appears, double-click to verify it opens the correct account and loads your bookmarks and extensions. If the shortcut doesn't sign you in, reopen Chrome, confirm sync is active, and sign in again. Resetting sync or recreating the profile usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.